Hellcat.
Well, because it's 2021, here comes the first unboxing video of 2021. Yay! And here it is. Here's Lockheed Martin F-35B, Lightning 2. And there's a Tom Gun Maverick. And that's pretty nice. Here's a license, partner of Lockheed Martin. And let's see what it is. Ooh, wow. The F-35B looks amazing. It does have afterburner, as I can see. It does have inlets. It does have landing gears, as I can see. It does have multi-role fighter. And it does have cockpit for ejection. And here we go. Here's a F-35 Lightning. Thank you for so much for watching. This is the first unboxing video of 2021, and I will see you next time.